Making the most of gestures, communication beyond words. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on video call etiquette. Today, we're diving deep into an important aspect of nonverbal communication, gestures and their meanings. Remember, your body language speaks volumes about your intentions, mood, and responses, even when you're not uttering a single word. Gestures are a form of nonverbal communication in which visible bodily actions communicate particular messages. They may either be complementary to language, offering additional information, or they might stand alone, replacing words altogether. On video calls, your facial expressions and hand movements are primarily visible, so we will focus on these. When used effectively, gestures can enhance the clarity and impact of your communication, helping you to connect better with your audience. Understanding common gestures can greatly enhance your ability to communicate and understand others on video calls. Let's delve into some examples. 1. Nodding. This gesture is universal and typically means agreement, understanding, or acknowledgement. 2. Shaking head. Contrary to nodding, shaking your head usually signifies disagreement or denial. 3. Hands clasped together. This may signify that you're comfortable or content, but it could also indicate nervousness. 4. Leaning in. When you lean towards the camera, it shows that you're engaged and interested in the conversation. Remember, the meaning of a gesture can also depend on the context and the culture of the person you're communicating with. Here are a few tips to make the most out of your gestures. Ensure your gestures are visible. Stay in frame so that your gestures can be seen clearly. Be natural. Forced or unnatural gestures can seem awkward and might convey insincerity. Avoid overusing gestures. Too many gestures can be distracting and might take the focus away from what you're saying. And that wraps up our session on gestures and their meanings in video calls. By now, you should be equipped with some useful insights to enhance your nonverbal communication on video calls. Remember, communication is not just about the words you say, but also about how you say them. Until next time, keep practicing and happy communicating.